Hi, welcome today to our last core lesson on maps. Find your Me on the Map book. We're going to turn to the last page. On the last page it says, in my house I find my room, and in my room I find me. So now that we have done all the pages in the book, it's really cool because it shows us a way. While I'm talking, I'm going to draw my room. It shows us how we find us on the map. First we find our continent, then we find our country, then we find our state, then we find our city, then we find our street, then we find our house, then we find our room, and then we find me, or you. Okay, in my room, I have 2 windows to look outside. I drew my bed. I'm gonna draw my little stand with some flowers on it. Okay, so there's my bed, my stand with flowers on it, my little shelf that I'll draw some picture frames on. I usually have something hanging on the wall. So go ahead and draw your room, and then you can take the whole book and you can look and find yourself on the map. First we found North America. Inside of North America we find our country, which is the United States. Inside of United States, we find our state, which is Utah. Inside of our state, we see our city, which is Salt Lake City. Inside of our city, or our state, we find our city, which is Kaysville or Layton or wherever you live. Inside of the city, then you can find your streets. On your street, you find your house. In your house, you find your room. And in your room, you find you. So you can go ahead and finish anything from the book today for this lesson.